Hey everyone! In this video I'm going to use some leftover resin from another pour and make a trivet. I've got all the products I use listed below in the description, as well as links to my art and my Amazon shops, discounts, and much more. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Stick around for the close-ups at the end of the amazing cells that I get in this piece. Let me know if you have any questions and what you think of this piece in the comments below. And I'm Elisa with Jots Designs. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time.